Welcome to Turnbull Custom Guns YouTube channel. What I have here is a Marlin Glenfield Model 60 22. And what we're going to go over today is why you don't dry fire 22s. Other guns can be dry fired without too much issue. 22 rim fires are a problem. Because it's a rim fire, the firing pin will actually peen the rim of the chamber. And I have a barrel over here that I'm going to show you what happens and how you can fix it. So this here is a Marlin 22. It's another Glenfield. And you see the spot right here, that's where the firing pin's been hitting the chamber. And now it won't even let a round into the chamber anymore. So we have a tool that we have made that will fix that. So this here is a tool that I made, and it's one of the projects when you go through gunsmithing school at Piedmont Community College. And if you look at it, it's made so it pushes the metal back away from the chamber, not cut it off, because you don't really want to lose that metal. So it has a slot cut off center so that it cams that metal over. So we'll go ahead and put this in here and see if we can't move that back to where it needs to be. Tighten that up a little bit. So now, hopefully, let me get one of my dummy rounds. I probably should have showed you before, but it wouldn't even fit a round in there. And see, now it slides in. No problem at all. Whoop, a little too easy. So there you go. That's how you fix it. Hope you enjoyed this little short video.